Hello, are you having hair loss? Check this medicine. MINOXIN 5% solution contains Minoxidil, which belongs to the group of medicines called Vasodilators. It is used to manage hereditary hair loss, androgenic alopecia on the head in men and women. MINOXIN 5% solution is used to manage only mild to moderate hair loss problems, not complete hair loss, and helps to stimulate hair growth in such cases. MINOXIN 5% solution is not to be used in cases of the pattern of your hair loss differs from a receding hairline and crown balding, have no family history of hair loss, have total baldness or complete loss of all body hair, have inflamed, infected, irritated, or painful scalp, have any condition that affects your scalp such as sunburn and psoriasis, and are currently taking other medications that are being applied on the scalp. Consult your doctor for a proper physical examination of the scalp before using this medicine. MINOXIN 5% solution is not recommended for use in pregnant women or those who are planning to get pregnant, breastfeeding women, children less than 18 years of age, as well as elderly individuals over 65 years of age. The most common side effects of applying MINOXIN 5% solution are headache, itching of the scalp, rash, burning sensation, and excessive hair growth. Consult your doctor in case any of the side effects worsen or persist for long. Uses of MINOXIN 5% solution. Management of hair loss, androgenic alopecia. How MINOXIN 5% solution works. MINOXIN 5% solution regrows hair and stabilizes hair loss in men with a receding hairline and head balding by the revitalization of hair follicles. Revitalization of hair follicles is by MINOXIN 5% solution. Vasodilatory action that helps to increase the blood flow when applied to the scalp. This increased blood flow helps to provide more nutrition and oxygen to the hair follicles, thus managing hair cell death and enhancing new hair growth. Directions for USE. Always use MINOXIN 5% solution as directed by your physician. It is for external use only. This medicine is for use on the normal, healthy scalp only. Apply MINOXIN 5% solution directly on dry scalp and hair. Do not use it on inflamed, infected, irritated, or painful scalp skin. Do not apply to any other parts of the body. Avoid contact with your eyes. Your doctor will decide the required dose and duration of MINOXIN 5% solution for you as per your age and disease condition. Side effects of MINOXIN 5% solution. Common: headache, burning sensation, excessive hair growth, itching of skin, rash, hives, raised rashes, dry skin.